Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting with the clean kitchen, but it's not gonna stay like this for long because we are going to be organizing my pantry. You would think a house like this would have a bigger pantry, but it doesn't. It has the smallest pantry I've ever seen, and this pantry is a total nightmare, you guys. There are so many things in here. It is so small that I just started shoving things in there. I tried to organize it once before, and obviously the system that I had in place did not work out. There are just too many things and not enough space for everything. So this time I'm gonna try to get it organized in a way that is both beautiful but most importantly functional. I'm going to be reusing the same things that I already own, like the same storage containers, the same baskets, but in a much better way. As you guys can see, all these beans, I don't even know what's expiring here. I don't even know like how many things I should buy because I don't know how many things I already have in there. If your pantry is looking anything like mine, then this is maybe your reminder to get it in order so we can work at it together. Let's do it. Let's get everything out of here. I'm gonna start by taking everything out, give everything a good wipe, even the walls around the pantry, to make sure that everything is super clean before we start putting stuff back in there.
So lucky to be yours. Taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Seen a sky so blue, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody.
Now that everything is out of here, I can actually see how dirty this space really is, and the racks are not that dirty, honestly, the walls either. I have this bag organizer here that the lady that used to live here left for me, and I'm actually glad she did because I actually love it. I keep my store bags in here, keeps them nice and organized, but the floor is actually pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it real quickly. Also wipe down the walls, the racks, and the baseboards. It is always going to get worse before it gets better, but just know that it's gonna be so worth it at the end. And yeah, the kitchen is a mess now, but by the end of it, we're gonna have a nice and put together pantry. And the good thing about taking everything out, you guys, is that you can go ahead and see everything that you have. Look for things like expiration dates on things, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna go through everything that I have on here, see what's expired, what's not expired, what is empty, what I need to throw away. Go ahead and throw everything that I don't need away, and then just keep everything that we will be putting back into the pantry.
Cause you haven't got the news, boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough?
Since I am reusing the same containers, some of them had some chips left over, so I went ahead and washed those. And I'm also going to be wiping down this basket really quickly. When setting up your organizing containers and your baskets, just do it in a way that works for you and that makes sense for you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about what works for you, what's functional for you and your family. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girl. got these storage containers from Amazon a long time ago. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. I will link them below if I can find them again for you guys. But these are really tall and big, so I feel like they fit a lot of my beans. I like to put my beans in here, things that we use a lot and we use often. These are BPA free and they were so much more inexpensive compared to other brands and other ones I've seen out there.
That I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that bub.
If you're wondering why I like to use storage containers, it's because you can see how many bags fitted in here. So like 4 or 5 bags, they save a lot of space in my opinion. So instead of having like all these little bags in the pantry, some of them open, so like when you move something you knock them over and like all the beans are on the floor. This will keep the beans airtight so they will last fresh a lot longer. It keeps the pantry free of clutter so you don't have all those bags everywhere, and in my opinion it just looks way nicer as well. I love these really big ones. I have 4 of these for like things like cereal and rice, things I have big quantities of. And as you can see, look how big this bag is, and it usually fits in here.
Something so I can move on. Pull me closer.
I also got this white chalk writer, and I'm going to be labeling all of my containers and also writing on them. This way I know what goes into each container, and it makes it easier for me once I have to refill them.
Stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could.
I wanted to give Caleb his own little basket with all of his favorite snacks. He's at the age now where he likes to go in the pantry and pick out his own snacks. I'm putting this basket in the lower level so it's much more accessible to him, comfortable to him, so that way he can go in the pantry whenever he wants, grab a snack and go.
Of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired and
Those are Caleb snacks. You see your name right there? Those are extras.
I love extra.
Yeah. Do you like your snacks? Which one do you like better?
Spicy chips.
Okay. And you can go and get them.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Alright, and now for the final result. Let's take a look at what it looked like before, just so that way we can really appreciate the after. And here is the after.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Thank you guys guys so much for watching. I still can't believe this is my pantry now. This feels so good. It was so worth it, and I hope it inspired you to maybe organize your pantry if it looked anything like mine. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. We have a lot more coming up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!